everyone, I am very happy to show all of you a new item that I received and that will be soon go to auction, and it's a very special one and also quite unique. I can tell you that it is a museum quality antique, and here it is. Let me show you close so you can see this amazing pistol. And how old do you think it is? Well, first, this is a 16th century pistol made in Germany, most probably in Nuremberg. And usually this style is called the Master of the Castles pistol. As you can see, it's extremely complicated. Look all the machinery here, Look even the carved wooden bag and holder. And it is in absolutely amazing good condition. Okay. What is special in this piece? Many things. Let's say that at those time, I am talking about 400 years ago, that the use of gunpowder was relatively new in Europe, even if the Chinese invented it and they developed it. But let's clarify. The Chinese discovered the gunpowder, the pólvora, but they mostly use it for crackers in New Year, not for military. Very rarely they use it by the Chinese of gunpowder in a military way. The Europeans were who noticed how good it was as an idea, and they used it. So okay, let's say this is one of these early pistols. You cannot use contemporary gunpowder. You need to ask specific laboratory to make a chemical compound less strong than the contemporary one, more similar to this centuries ago chemistry gunpowder. And most of this machinery that you see here, the origin, if you trace the origin of who and how they were invented and created, was precisely by clockwork specialists. Let's say in Nuremberg and even in Switzerland, who worked in the creation of these first weapons, were linked or directly associated also with the factories for clocks. So that's why they look so complicated. They are absolutely fantastic. They are extremely well designed with beautiful details. And let's say that in one hand, yes, they are a marvelous example of engineering, but at the same time they are extremely complicated for just a weapon. This piece, for example, because it's in absolutely perfect condition, this belongs to a museum, and you can find some similar to this one in the Metropolitan Museum of New York too. One piece like this can go on auction for around $20,000 right now. And I am telling you that even now that the antiques market is so depressed, this keeps its value. So it is a $20,000 pistol, a Wheellock pistol, and worthy the investment and worthy to be collected and keep as a treasure. So here you have. I hope you like it. I like it. I need to like it. I enjoy with this kind of pieces that are so special. If you have any question, just you know, write me a comment or send me a message, and I will try to answer you. If you want to buy this piece, just let me know. I can make a deal for all of you. Thank you so much, guys.